Hello and welcome back to What Jack has made. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to write your own CSS code and save it as a CSS file. As well as this, I'll be going over selectors, IDs and classes. So to start off, we're going to open up our CSS file and we're going to target the body of the page. So it's a body with an open curly brace and then a closing curly brace. Now if we go into the index page, you can see that the tag body has all of our content in it. Therefore, when we target the body in the CSS, we are targeting that body element from the HTML. So if we wanted to change the background as we did in episode 2, we would type in background and then say green and then semicolon, and then there we go. Now the whole body has a green background. So as well as this, you can add classes. So for example, the class main contains our navigation items. So if we target the class main, and to do this we type dot main open curly brace closing curly brace and then say background colon blue semicolon, then now the class intro is targeted. As well as this, we can apply IDs. So if we had a list item, we would apply ID equals quote yellow, and then to target an ID we would put hashtag yellow background yellow, and then there we go. Now it's applying to the ID. There is rules when it comes to specificity, which I'm not going to go over now because it's more of an intermediate subject, but depending on whether or not you use an ID or a class and combine them, certain rules will apply to certain elements. So now that we have our CSS code written, we can go File, Save As, and then type in style.css, and then I've already got it, but you can save over it, and that's how you save a CSS file. In the next episode, we're actually going to start coding the website you saw in the first introduction to CSS episode, and we're going to be adding colors to our text.